Struggling to find the perfect gift for the impossible guy in your life this 2025 holiday season? You're not alone, but Mashable has done the hard work for you, meticulously testing the latest gadgets and trends all year to uncover the ultimate gift ideas. This ultimate gift guide dives deep into incredible options that are guaranteed to make any man feel truly seen and understood. From nostalgic treats like number 1. Lego's bringing back cherished childhood memories with a modern twist, to cutting-edge audio experiences with number 2. High-end noise-canceling headphones that redefine immersive sound. You won't want to miss these incredible finds, and all purchase links will be available in the video description below. Prepare to be amazed by the innovation in number 3. Flagship Smartphones offering unparalleled connectivity and power right in his pocket. Discover how these expert-curated selections go beyond the ordinary, including powerful number 4. Premium party speakers to elevate any gathering with spectacular sound. Finally, for the ultimate tech enthusiast or gamer, explore the impressive performance of number 5. Latest gaming laptops designed to dominate virtual worlds. Don't settle for gift receipts this Christmas, Father's Day, or birthday. This video will unlock the secrets to truly impressive gift giving, ensuring your guy knows you get him. Get ready to surprise him with a gift that genuinely stands out, handpicked by experts who live and breathe consumer tech.